Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply for Canadian citizenship online for Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. First of all guys, you need to meet certain conditions before you can apply online. And they have clearly mentioned here, like at this time you can only apply online if you are eligible for applying Canadian citizenship. Of course you have a valid email address, of course, because you are applying online. You are between this age group. You are applying for yourself only, not with your family. You do not have a representative in your physical presence calculation. You do not include the time spent outside as a ground servant or family member of a ground servant. Probably for simple cases they have done it online so that some automation can be done to reduce some manual activities, because due to COVID manual activities have been restricted, we all know. Alright, so let's say you are coming for the first time. Then you're going to click on this confirm. Then again it's going to ask you the question here. Do you have a valid email address? Yes. Are you a permanent resident? Yes. Are you between these two age group? Yes. Are you applying for yourself? Yes. Because if you select no, it's going to ask you to apply on paper. Will you be using a representative? No. What is the result of this? Okay. Did you include time spent outside Canada as a ground servant in a physical presence? Let's say no. I know it can be used, but in that case it has to be on paper. Did you include time spent outside Canada as a family member? Okay. Let no. Okay. You can apply online, and you got to click this. They have also provided information. You can read that, and you got to click on I agree. Then you get this continue enabled. You come here. So the very first thing is to create an account. Okay, so I'm gonna create an account for this sample, so I'm gonna freeze the screen for that. So what happened, like when I tried to create my account, I got an email with a verification code. That 6-digit code I entered, and then I got another email where it has been told me that this account has been successfully created, and now I can use the same to log in. Okay, so I have logged in. So you can see like what are the things you need to provide. You need to provide all these tabs: consent and upload documents, pay fee, review, and then submit. So if I go for upload more documents, what are the things it is asking? So basically it's the same, like whatever you do on paper you do it online. Digital citizenship photo, do not upload scanned photo, send a picture of a picture photo, use a smartphone to take a, do not, this is don'ts. And it is also asking to upload photographer information. We accept photographer's receipt or a text file, 2 pieces of personal identification, date of birth, correction documents, this is optional, change of sex, this is again optional, other supporting documents. And then third is to pay fee. So you cannot pay here, it seems. Let me see if there's any option. No, you cannot pay here. Instead you have to pay on the IRCC site, that official page where there's a link to pay the fee. Once you are done through that, you got to upload the receipt here. But the main section here is this, you need to provide information. And here in review or submit, it's going to tell you if all the things are ready or not, and it's also going to give you the information if anything in address is still, anything that is wrong. Once everything is fine, you can click on continue, and while you are submitting your application, it doesn't need to be in a single shot. Like you can save it and come back later. So let's go through some sample. Anyway, I'm not going to pay the fee and submit, because I cannot submit fee for a test application. So which language you want? English. Okay. Do you have special needs requiring accommodation? Let's say no. You need to submit as per, you need to put the details as per your case. I'm just gonna put some sample details. Do you have a UCI number? Okay, let me put a sample. I just put a sample. Your name, family name, given name. So I just put, have you changed your name? Let's say no. Have you used any other name? No. Gender, let's say male. Height, I just selected 183 centimeter. I selected one eye color. Date of birth, and now it is asking for date of birth. So just let me select a day, January 1st, year 1991. Yeah. Country or territory, marital state. Let's say this guy is not married, single. And place of birth. So I just added some sample entries. Okay, this is just for reference. So once this page is ready, you can click on next, and once you have filled all the mandatory fields on a page, it gives you a green sign. This page is ready. Now you can click on next. So in this page, first it asks for your email address. So that I have scrolled the page to protect, and then other information like your address and all, phone number, representative and all. Of course, if you want to apply here online, you don't have representative. Tax information, for whatever like physical presence calculator that you have calculated, that you have to put or upload over here. Eligibility date, and other things that you get like social insurance number, police clearance certificate and all. Then your work, school, any prohibitions, language proof, and at the end consent. So as you can see, this is exactly the same that you get, and then other tabs I have already walked you through. So you can go through this and you can find out if there is anything you need help with. You can always ask questions. Thanks for watching, guys.